On our lap of Australia, we've been lucky enough to use Starlink internet, and it surprised us how many people we see out there using it, especially obviously in the remoter parts. So we saw plenty of farmhouses with Starlink antennas on top of them, and also at campgrounds too. Now, some of you may obviously see that aspect of Starlink, but wonder where the signal goes. Well, it does go up into the heavens, because that's where the antenna are pointing, into this constellation of thousands of satellites. There are websites on the internet that simulate the choreographed dance that the satellites do. It's very mesmerizing. Now, once it leaves the satellite, it would come back down to a ground station, similar to this one in Parkes, which is the Parkes Radio Telescope. It's pretty big, it's 64 meters across. So this one here is obviously used for picking up very remote and distant signals. That's why it's so big. The ones for Starlink that are situated in a Starlink ground station are a lot smaller. And we were lucky enough to pass 2 ground stations on our trip. One of them was the one in Pima in outback South Australia, and the other one was in Bowa, New South Wales. The one in Pima, South Australia is situated just near the Spuds Roadhouse and is behind this fence, which has a couple of corrals in it. One has a corral of these orb-shaped antennas. There's 9 of them in the one corral, and then there was another 4 in the other corral. There was also these square or rectangular shaped antenna. They look like the ones that you would have at home, and maybe they're just mounted a bit differently. I'm wondering if these are used for reference or monitoring purposes. If you happen to know, yeah, leave a comment below. The other ground station that we passed was in Bowa, New South Wales. Again, a very similar setup to what there was in Pima, orb-shaped antennas behind a corral. So if you're watching this YouTube video, then it has been successfully transmitted through our Starlink. Over and out.